Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download and install .NET SDK on macOS step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official Microsoft.NET download page. Locate the section for .NET SDK. Select the macOS option for the latest version. Click on the download button to initiate the download. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the .NET SDK installer file to launch it. Follow the on-screen instructions to proceed with the installation. Read and accept the license agreements when prompted. Select the installation location or leave it as the default. Click on the Install button to start the installation process. Enter your macOS administrator password if prompted. Wait for the installation to complete. Once the installation finishes, close the installer. To verify the installation, open the terminal application. Type in .NET version and press Enter. If the installation was successful, you will see the installed version number displayed. Congratulations, you have successfully installed the .NET SDK on your macOS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.